Welcome back. The United Nations put a spotlight on accelerating progress for International Women's Day this year, but women in STEM careers are working to promote equality in these fields every single day. The growing popularity of artificial intelligence is a major part of this effort, but there is a gender gap here as well. A recent survey shows more than half of men use AI in their personal or professional lives, compared to just 35% of women. Liberty White is working to close this gap. She's the founder of the She Learns AI Challenge. It's a 21-day challenge with a goal of equipping 1,000 women with artificial intelligence skills, and it starts today. Liberty, good morning to you and welcome to the show. So let's start with what inspired you to start this challenge, because I'm assuming it's not just the numbers alone that I mentioned. You know, why are more men using AI tools compared to women?
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. And yes, the challenge starts today, and we're telling women it's time to jump into the game, dive in, because the technology is not going to change. And the longer that it takes for us to get in, to use it, is the further behind that we'll be.
So what is the AI that men are using that women aren't in their daily lives?
Yeah, so it's things like, we're focused on prompt engineering.
Okay.
So they're using, as soon as the tools come out, where you can see it online, they're testing it. So whether that be Firefly with Adobe, and those are creative tools, or Midjourney, so many tools. So the quicker they come out, they're on them before we are, unfortunately.
Interesting. And why do you think that is?
It's a part of its exposure, because women, kids, young girls in school, the ratio, it begins there. So when they're not getting access to it early, and a perfect example, if it wasn't for a college student who told my dad when we were like 8 years old, he said, get a computer in the house. And my dad did, and look where I am right now. So having someone to say at an early age, this is where you need to go, it makes a world of difference.
Yeah, so a Pew Research report found people are more concerned than excited about AI, in part because they're worried about job loss. And I think there's also kind of this cloud of just uncertainty, right? Whenever something is uncertain or a little new, some people are slow to take up on it. But you say learning AI can help women in their career. So what are the benefits here, particularly when it comes to women?
Yeah, when it comes to women, those are things like just even having the confidence of knowing the tools to use, where you can use it to accelerate at work. So if you are in marketing or even accounting, being able to jump on tools like ChatGPT or Copilot, and to be able to help it to be your assistant, because that's what these tools are. Artificial intelligence, I always say, you are the subject matter expert. So if you can take it from that vantage point and then realize that, oh, this is to help me, and find the ways, like the task that you do over and over, that artificial intelligence can help you to speed up your process.
So the World Economic Forum predicts 6 in 10 workers will need to be trained on AI before 2027. So how does your challenge work to give women the skills they need to not only embrace this future, but to get a jump start on it?
Yes, so once you sign up, then you're part of the community where we are daily giving exercises and activities, because you want to, once you get a handle on it, then you build your confidence. So you'll get various prompts. We'll be sharing tutorials. We'll have guest speakers. And the more familiar you are with it, is the easier and more comfortable, and most importantly, the more confident you'll be to be able to then figure out ways that you can make it work in your job and in your life.
All right, Liberty White with the She Learns AI Challenge. Thank you so much and good luck. We appreciate it. We'll be back.
Thank you so much.